Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Spurtar 1440° Sink Faucet Aerator Extension, widely regarded as one of the best swivel faucet extenders available. This innovative faucet attachment is designed to transform your ordinary faucet into a more versatile, convenient, and efficient tool for everyday tasks like washing your face, cleaning dishes, and more. The Spurtar Faucet Aerator is incredibly easy to install, offering a wide compatibility range with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. It fits 3 common thread types: female G1/2, female 55/64, and male 15/16. Plus, the package includes adapters for both male and female fittings, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Whether you're replacing an old aerator or upgrading your faucet with something smarter, this product has you covered. Now, let's dive into the features that make this faucet extender truly stand out. First, we have the 1440° rotation capability. This faucet attachment offers a 360° swivel and a 1080° robotic arm feature, combining for an incredibly flexible 1440° rotation. This means you can effortlessly adjust the faucet to reach every corner of your sink, making it especially useful for washing your face, brushing your teeth, or even rinsing your hair without any awkward stretching or discomfort. What's more, the Spurtar Faucet Extender includes 2 distinct sprayer modes. The first mode is a soft bubble stream, which creates a gentle, oxygen-enriched water flow perfect for washing delicate areas like your eyes or face. The second mode is a powerful rinse spray that delivers high water pressure, making it ideal for cleaning dishes or tackling tougher cleaning jobs around the sink. Switching between these 2 modes is as easy as rotating the nozzle, giving you full control over your water flow based on your needs. One of the key features that makes this faucet extender even more impressive is its 4-layer filtration system. This advanced filter inside the aerator ensures that the water flowing through your faucet is cleaner and safer. Whether you're washing your face or simply using the sink for other tasks, this filtration system provides an extra layer of protection, making it more hygienic and convenient than standard faucet aerators. The design is both sleek and durable. Made from high-quality brass with a brushed finish, the Spurtar Faucet Extender is built to last and withstand everyday use. It not only enhances the functionality of your faucet but also gives it a modern look that blends well with most bathroom and kitchen setups. If you're looking to improve the range and flexibility of your faucet while adding a touch of modern functionality, the Spurtar 1440° Sink Faucet Aerator Extension is a must-have. It's perfect for families, especially with young children, as the adjustable spout makes it easier for them to wash their hands or face. It's also an excellent upgrade for those who want to make their faucet more versatile, saving both time and water while providing a cleaner, more enjoyable washing experience. That wraps up today's review of the Spurtar 1440° Sink Faucet Aerator Extension. If you're interested in purchasing it, make sure to check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.